Philips 12362 B2 H11 standard halogen replacement headlight bulb. The Philips P12362 B2 H11 standard halogen replacement headlight bulb is a top-quality product offered by Philips Automotive Lighting. With over 10 years of writing experience, I can confidently say that this headlight bulb deserves recognition for its exceptional performance and reliable functionality. This product is specifically designed for use as a headlight, ensuring optimal visibility and safety while driving. The Philips brand is well known for its commitment to producing high-quality automotive lighting solutions, and this bulb lives up to its reputation. One of the key features of the Philips 12362 B2H11 standard halogen replacement headlight bulb is its bright white light. With a color temperature designed to closely mimic natural daylight, this bulb enhances visibility